What's up everybody, Bubba D's here, and we are at it again. This is a quick, simple video. You can do it with the little ones at home. They're gonna love it. They're absolutely gonna love it. This is pancake balls in the Instapot or Mealthy Pot, whatever you got. What you're gonna need for this is you're gonna need pancake mix, whatever you have at home. You're gonna need some cooking spray, some foil paper, I know I'll get nagged on that later, and some water. You're gonna need a mixing bowl and these silicone trays. A lot of people use them for these egg pucks. We're gonna be using them for pancake balls. So follow the instructions of your pancake mix. Mine is pretty much the mix and water, really simple. Picked it up at the local Costco. And you're just gonna give that a mix. Now, if you haven't already done so, make sure you subscribe to the channel, give me some thumbs up or leave a comment and I will be sure to respond. Now go ahead and hit that silicone spray with some PAM. Go ahead and pour those in. Now you don't wanna overfill them. You just wanna have enough because they do slightly rise or get a little bit more full as you cook them. So don't put them right up to the top or else you will have a problem. And you're gonna do that for every single one of them. Go ahead and cover them up with some foil paper. Now I'm doing 2 trays. I love to actually make these, freeze them, and save them for whenever I need to pull them out with the kids or for myself. Make sure you cover it up with foil really tightly. Add your 1 cup of water and make sure you put your trivet at the bottom of your pressure cooker. Put them right inside. And then we're gonna put the lid on. Make sure that it's sealed, put it on high pressure for 14 minutes, and we're gonna be doing a quick release. Perfect. So at this time, it's all done. We're gonna go ahead and open up our Mealthy pot. And at this point, you wanna make sure that you take them out carefully. So it is gonna be hot. Make sure that you use some silicone gloves. And go ahead and take off your foil paper. Get your plate ready, pop them all out. Just like that. Now they're super moist and super tender. Your kids are gonna love it. You're gonna love it. Anybody who eats this is gonna love it. So at the end of the day, if you like pancakes, put a little bit of icing sugar on there. Get your favorite fruit. Give them some slices. And take out your favorite syrup, whether it's maple syrup or it's corn syrup, whatever you like. Put that on there and you got a quick, simple breakfast. The best part is you can put the remaining ones in a freezer bag, put them in the freezer, and you can pop these out whenever you need to. Put them in the microwave for like 30 seconds or less. Voila. So thank you for watching. I'm gonna enjoy my pancake balls and continue checking out my videos. Subscribe to the channel, leave a comment, I always respond, and most importantly, stay safe. And I'll see you guys next time.